Many people do not realize this. Your hair does not need chemicals, it needs moisture. I use this almond oil, vitamin E, and my natural ingredients, and the softness, shining, strengthening. After one treatment, it surprised me. If your hair is breaking, feeling dry, shedding, irritation, your scalp is not neat, you have scalp problem, watch this video to the end. This natural treatment is really working, but when you do it in the correct way. So stay tuned with me, because after making it, I will definitely going to apply it to my daughter for you guys to see how you can do to apply it and get the result from this treatment. So what we are starting is my aloe vera gel. I'm starting with aloe vera gel. You can use aloe vera gel that they have already, package selling from the market, or you can use the plant one. But mind you, for using the plant one, especially if you are going to use it for children, you yourself also, you need to wash it very well, because the fresh one, the head is having poison, and that poison is causing hair irritation, itchiness. You are not going to feel comfortable. So make sure you soak your aloe vera at least 1 hour or 2 hours before you use the aloe vera to do what you want to do. So, but for me, I brought the one in the market. They have already packed it already. That one I brought to make this and using it for my treatments. Okay, after I put my aloe vera gel into my container, so the next ingredient that I'm adding is my sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil, you can use any carrier oil of your choice. It depends on what you have from your hand. Any carrier oil that you have in your hand, you are free to use that one. Okay, but if you have sweet almond oil, why not? You can use that one to make this treatment. Let's start with aloe vera gel, aloe vera benefit, why I'm mixing my ingredients. But before starting the benefit, if you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is your first time crossing this channel, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, I cannot take you guys for granted. I really appreciate you all. So now let's move to the aloe vera benefit. Aloe vera is giving hair moisture, it's adding moisture to your hair, and if you have dry hair, you are using aloe vera, is going to help you a lot with coming out with no more dry, because while your hair is dry, it's causing us to get hair breaking, hair shedding, right? But when your hair is fully packed with moisture, the breaking is not going to be happening again. So after my sweet almond oil, the next ingredient that I'm adding is my honey. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of honey. You can add 1 tablespoon. It depends on your hair quantity. If you know your hair is thicker, long, fuller, you can add maybe 2 tablespoons. Or if you know you have a less hair, you can add 1 teaspoon also, no problem. It depends on your hair. Okay, so aloe vera gel is also smoothing irritation scalp. If your scalp is having irritation and you are using aloe vera gel, it's going to help you. Aloe vera gel is supporting healthy hair growing faster. If you are looking for a way to grow your hair faster, thicker and healthier, please incorporate aloe vera gel into your routine. So after aloe vera gel, our next ingredient was sweet almond oil. But before that, now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of and half tablespoon of my vitamin E oil. So you can add your vitamin E oil. You can get it in the pharmacy also. If you can get the caps one, or you can get the bottle ones, or plastic, the one that inside the plant, whatever that you get, just get a vitamin E oil to add inside. If you know you cannot get the one I'm using, the type that I'm using, then you can get it from the pharmacy, the caps one, just break it inside. You can use maybe 2 or 3 or 4, maybe it will get like half tablespoon, right? You put inside. So but before we continue the ingredients, now you can see that I bring my daughter. I started removing the beef from her hair, and her hair is dry. So because of that, I'm going to use my aloe vera hair spray to spray into her scalp, massage it a little bit gentle, and also I'm not going to make it too much wet, because mind you people, aloe vera is already something like contain like water. So I just going to make it a little bit damp before apply the treatment. So let's move to sweet almond oil benefit. Sweet almond oil is strengthening weak hair, and also adding natural shine. It's reducing hair breaking. My people, this treatment is packed with everything. You can use it when your hair is in the mini braids, cornrow, or mini twist, or you can use it while your hair also is open. You can use it in so many ways. So sweet almond oil is also reducing hair breaking. Why I added my vitamin E oil? Vitamin E oil, as you guys know, is repairing damaging hair. If you have damaging hair, if your hair is damaged, and you are someone who, just like me, you say, I'm not going to cut this hair, I'm going to repair my hair, because anything has spoiled. If anything spoiled, first of all, you have to find a technical to check it, something that has spoiled. You have to find someone who have the knowledge to see if the person can repair it for you. If they cannot repair it, then that's the time that you can throw away. If not, you cannot just get up and throw away like that, right? So it's the same thing to the hair. If your hair is damaged and you don't want to cut your hair off, but you want to repair your hair, try to be incorporating vitamin E oil into your routine. It's going to help you. Vitamin E oil is repairing damaging hair, improving scalp healthy, and preventing dryness from your hair. So vitamin E oil is powerful. Vitamin E oil, as the beginning before I start this treatment, you guys can see what I do. I use my aloe vera spray to spray into my daughter's hair. So even vitamin E oil, you can just use it, the raw vitamin E oil, without adding anything. But make sure to damp your hair. The parts that you know that you have some damaging in your hair, whether your edges, your ends, or your back, where the part that you think that you have the damage, just spray water or aloe vera spray and make it damp small, and add the oil, massage it, and leave everything, so that the vitamin E will do the work for you. So after that, I added honey. Honey is locking moisture into your hair. It's making hair soft and easy to comb when you are going to comb your hair. It's also reducing freezing. Honey also is one of the ingredients that I don't joke when it's come to my treatment. I always add honey into my treatment, if you guys notice. So this is a natural hair treatment. I use when my hair is feeling dry, weak, or breaking. That's the time I always using it. But it's good if you have that opportunity to be using it at least once in a week or twice in a month. It's going to help you a lot. Okay, so for me, sometimes I can forget, because I use so many things to be testing my hair, also to be seeing which one is working. If I see something is working, that is the time that I'm bringing that into this channel for people also to benefit of it. But if I test something and it's not work for me, I don't bring it here, and I'm not even trying to put it into my daughter hair, because my daughter hair is my priority. It's my everything. I don't joke with my daughter hair. So aloe vera gel, it helps hydrate the hair and keep your scalp healthier, and keeping your scalp very healthy. While sweet almond oil also is strengthening hair and giving it a healthy shining. So it's very, very powerful. Vitamin E oil also, as I told you guys, is helping to repair damaging and protect the hair from the damaging. While you are using it, it's going to protect it from the damaging and repairing the other ones also. The one that you have already damaged is going to repair it for you. Honey also is locking moisture into the hair, making it very soft and manageability. it, I mix everything together until I get a smooth paste, and make my daughter hair a little bit damp of water, and do what? I start to be massaging her scalp, as you guys can see me massaging it gently, lightly. It will help to boost blood circulation, and that is how you will see a big changes. I cover the hair with a warm, whatever that you want to do, but for me, you guys, you will see what I'm going to use. I use this rubber to cover her hair first, because I'm going to put her into the hot cap. This hot cap, me myself, as I'm doing to my daughter, you guys are seeing, I'm also applying it to my hair, because I apply it to my hair because me, I'm not showing my hair. But when my daughter was in school, I did my, and I said my daughter one, I'm going to film her own when I'm doing it. That's why you guys are seeing this video. But me myself, I have one on my hair. So first of all, I'm going to do this hot treatment, hot cap. I'm going to put it on hair, make it a lowest, not very hot. You have to make it limit the heat to make it low, so that it is going to simulate the thing into her scalp and penetrate very well to her scalp, to flow the black flows, to make the black flows. Because even those who have low prostate hair, these things are very, very good. You guys see what my daughter is doing for her eyes. It's very good for those who have a low prostate hair. So this treatment is very good when I'm doing it to my daughter, and I'm so happy anytime when I'm doing and I see her playing happy child like this. It's making me more joy, because she's not disturbing me while I'm doing the treatment to her. But please always make sure to do practice tests when you are going to apply to yourself or your daughter. You can see the ingredients that I use is safe, but upon all that is safe, you need to do practice tests. Maybe the things can be good for me and my daughter, but it cannot be good for you. So try to test it and see whether it's okay for you before you apply to your hair, okay, the whole hair. So now, after I simulate my daughter hair for 15 to 20 minutes, I cover it this way, and I'm going to allow her sit down, so that now it's time for me also to take care of my hair. Sometimes I forgot to even take care of my hair while I'm just busy with my daughter hair. I'm just forgetting of myself to take care of my hair. So now I'm going to sit there for 20 minutes. So my hair is even more than like 10 minutes now, because I did it before rush and go and pick my daughter from school and come back to start preparing her own. So my hair almost like more than 10 minutes now, and I'm going to sit in the cap also for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, that time I will come out, I will remove the things, and took my daughter for us to go and wash our hair. Please let me know if you love to try this treatment. Let me know in the comment section. Or have you ever tried it on your hair before? Or have you ever tried it in your children's hair before? Let me know in the comment section. Please support this channel for me. We are just a small YouTube channels coming out. So if you know that you love natural hair and you love details, because I don't want to cut some things, I'm doing everything naturally. Even the English also is natural English, right? Yes, I know maybe you guys are laughing at me sometimes, but that is it. So we are doing everything naturally, and this channel is all about healthy, how we can do to grow our hair and grow our children hair and stop using chemicals. I always promote natural hair growing tips. I'm not advising for chemicals, so let us stop using chemicals on our hair and stop using it for our children hair. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you all. Now, as you guys can see, my daughter wants to be playing, so I have to just do quick and play with her small before we go and wash, because if she wants to play and I'm not playing, sometimes she can make drama at the end of the day. I don't want it that way, all right? I don't want it that way. I don't want drama. I'm just avoiding myself from her drama. Bye bye. I love you guys. Bye.